Hey y'all, as you see by this, I have some exciting news to tell you, so stay tuned and keep watching. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. So I've been waiting to announce this for a little while, and I had to wait for the okay from my daughter, and she went to the doctor this month and she gave me the okay, and it's been, I think it was last week, I think, but I've been so busy I haven't even had a chance to come on here and tell you. Now some of you may know because I did post it on Facebook, so if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you probably already know what I'm about to say. But if you don't, then this is big news to you. And so, as some of you know, I am already a grandmother. I have 2 older grandchildren back down south, and where I'm originally from. And they are, goodness, what are they, 11 and 12 right now, and which I don't get to see them very much. But you know, my youngest daughter got married last year. They've been married for a year, and they did say that after they were married for a year they would start trying for a baby. And so they did. After their first anniversary, they started trying, because she is about 28 years old, something like that. She's getting close to 30, so she wanted to, you know, definitely before she was 30 go ahead and start having her first child. And so anyway, I can't believe I'm really old. When I think of my baby, you know, and even my first daughter, my goodness, and oh goodness, she's almost 40. So, or is she already 40? She may have already hit 40. Goodness gracious, I can't even keep up with their ages anymore. It's awful. Oh, because I think when I think about it, it just makes me realize just how old I really am. But anyway, sorry for the rambling. It just makes me realize how old I am. But I'm happy to announce that my baby is going to have a baby. This is what I wanted to come on here and say. So we don't know what she's having yet. She's still in her first trimester, about to go into her second trimester. So when I find out, I will keep you up to date. A lot of y'all do know Shelby. She's been on my channel before, and she's a character. She really is funny. She tried to have her own channel one time, but just couldn't stay consistent. She doesn't like to show herself. She gets that from me. I'm kind of funny about showing myself too. It's really hard for me to come on here and show myself, you know, and most of the time I'm showing my hands. We're both really shy in that area. But I do try to show my face at times, working on that. But yeah, everybody says we look just alike, you know, that we look like twins, and she is just like me. Now she does have some of her dad's traits. I think she gets her anger actually from him. But she's, you know, I love her, and when she became an adult, her and I really did become best friends. And I always wanted that, you know, for my girls. And she tried to leave home in college, way out west, stayed out there for about a year and came back home. Got very homesick, but I was proud of her that she even tried that. And yeah, she stayed home until she got married, and we're still very close. And So I'm tickled and so happy for her and her husband. Love them both. I couldn't have asked for a better son-in-law, I tell you what. So he takes real good care of her. Well, both my son-in-laws take good care of their wives, so I'm very blessed to have that. I don't have to worry about my daughters. Yeah, her husband is very good and takes good care of her. And well, like I said, both my son-in-laws cook for their wives, and I get tickled about that. You know, so, but they're just they have good husbands, and I'm very thankful. And Shelby is very blessed to have the husband she has, and couldn't ask for anything more. So, but like I said, I will keep you up to date and about her pregnancy and everything. And she's thinking about having a home birth, and because she wants me to be there, right there with her, which I kind of figured, you know, as close as we are. She calls me all the time. Or if she don't call me, she texts me, lets me know what's going on with her. And if she's not calling or texting me, I'm calling and texting her, asking her how she's doing. But yeah, we're just thrilled to death, and I couldn't wait to come on here and let everybody know. And so yeah, I'm going to be a grandma again, so, and get to hold a little baby. I'm so excited. So, Joe and I, of course, are hoping for a girl. And I think she's hoping for a girl. I can't remember what she said. Of course, we're happy either way. I mean, you know, as long as the baby is healthy and everything, you know, we're all happy. So whatever. I think her sister said, yeah, she really hopes for a girl. You know, a lot of people said a girl. It would be cool to have a little granddaughter again. But you know, she has a boy. I'm happy for a boy too. But it seems like I know more about girls, you know, since I raised girls. I can help her better with a girl. So that's why I said a girl. But I hope her first is a girl. And I know they want to at least have two. So, but she says, well, we'll see how this first one goes. So, but that's where we are. So, excuse me. So, anyway, I thank y'all for watching. I'll quit rambling, and y'all please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Comment down below, and remember to click that notification bell, and I'll see you again soon in the next one. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a very blessed day.